Come test drive the 2020 Chevrolet Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, backup camera, power liftgate, keyless entry, remote engine start, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, leather wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, auto dimming rear view mirror, 4-wheel drive. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.